So this is just a short video demonstrating me driving towards a roundabout, going to the third exit where there are two lanes going right. Travelling from the meadows towards Queen's Drive and the roundabout just under the flyover, I'm approaching the final traffic lights in the left of two lanes. As I leave the traffic lights, I stay in my lane. The lane on the left where that white van is going to the first exit. This lane goes to the second exit or the third exit, so I'm indicating right now. The lane on my right also goes right, so there's two lanes going right, but this lane goes straight on as well. Just checking there's no one coming, there isn't. So as I leave the roundabout, I stay in the lane that would take me to the right. Remember, there's two lanes going right, so I'm staying in the left of those two lanes all the way to the exit, all the way around to the exit, and now indicating left to leave the roundabout. Now for this particular roundabout, as soon as I've left the roundabout, there's a sign that tells me there are going to be three lanes. I'm not merging in, this is going to become a separate lane, but ahead of me there's a sign that tells me which lane to get into. If I'm going towards Long Eaton, I stay in this lane. If I'm going towards Derby, I change lane to the lane on the right. So that is the roundabout, turning right from the meadows, heading towards Long Eaton at the flyover roundabout. Hopefully that helps. But that is applied to any roundabout where there are two lanes going right. Basically stay in the left of the two lanes and just follow the lane to your exit.